Hey everyone, Orko the Chief here. How are you all doing? Yeah, so there's a new crate which is cobalt steel crate. Yeah, and there was a amethyst crate. I tried to pull yesterday some of the guns, but I haven't pulled any gun. I just pulled 30 crates and I didn't got any gun. So I wanted to make a video about this, like ICR or HBR. Yeah, HBR was cool, and the katana was also cool, but I haven't got, so I didn't make any video. Actually I made a video but I haven't posted. So today we got the new cobalt steel crate, and you guys got steel blue for AGR 556, type 20, sorry, RUS and type 25. So and also 50 GS, which is Mac crate, like not not very good, and also grenade, and also a calling card which is also not like very good. So let's see if we can pull anything out of like 30 crates. I want to pull a, like any gun will do. I'll make a video about that because you don't get lucky. I just won the type 20, yeah, type 25 and RUS looks very cool. I don't have any like awesome RUS skin. Also type 25, I love that. And also this iron sight is very unique. I want to see this iron sight in action. AGR I don't like that much. I don't use this gun that much, but still this also good. We got Arctic 50 and AK-47 steel blue. After that we haven't got any steel blue skin. So let's see if we can pull any out of this. Yeah, fast pull guys. Wish me luck. Anything. Oh my goodness. Awesome. Type 25 on the first one. Guys, this is actually awesome. I wanted this. Got this on the first. Okay. Now I don't know should I pull like 20 more, because I don't want to waste my code point. And I already wasted so much yesterday by pulling this amethyst crate, and I haven't got anything for that. So let's see, I'll pull 20 more if I can get in like this RUS or easier, if I get any lucky. 20 pull, you don't get anything, mostly you will get green skin, mark my word. You don't get anything, this is stupid. Okay, blue screen, nothing. Told you, like 20 pool is always bad and you don't get anything. Okay, next pool, next 10, last 10 crate pool. Let's see if you can get any AGR or RUS. Please god, please give me RUS. Oh, stupid decision. I shouldn't, like type 25 was cool. Oh, I didn't got the RUS. I wanted the RUS, bro. Should I pull another 180? Mostly I'll get stupid. Acha, let's see what is the percentage. For RUS you get 80%, 0.80%, not 80%, and 50 J is 1.33%. I can pull only one crate, I think, only 10 pull, because yeah, 360. I have only 330 points, like for points. I guess fast pull was great. I shouldn't have done like next 20 pull. Yeah guys, I'll not pull anything else because yeah, this will get pretty expensive pretty fast. Anyway, type, yeah, RUS was cool, but that's my luck, I haven't got. AGR also cool. Yeah, type 25 was very nice, I wanted that gun. Yeah, let's see if I can make a class. Okay, okay, let's make a class over here. Okay, what is the skin? Okay, we got a blue skin, I think. Yeah, blue knife skin, also green skin. Okay, green knife skin. What else? Is there anything? Okay, I got a green skin for MW11. Still, what? What is left? Gunsmith and smoke skin. Okay, yeah, and I got a grenade skin, I think. Yeah, stupid grenade skin. How much grenade do you need? Like, I got so many grenade skin. Yeah, this one also cool, and this one has a effect. This one also have a effect, and the rest of this epic doesn't have any effect. Okay, how much more do you need? Type 25. I got the geometry skin and I love that. Let's see the new type 25. Yeah, awesome. Okay, sniper expert, SMG RAS. Okay, blue screen, and blue skins are stupid because you don't get the coverage for the attachments if you like attach anything over there, and that will ruin the camo. Okay, striker skin. Okay, that's it, I think. Yeah, the exclamation mark gone. Okay, let's go to the gunsmith. What should I do? Okay, we got any sticker? Okay, I got a sticker, I think. Yeah, this is cool. Okay, let's see what we can do. uh Firstly, definitely laser, tactical laser. That is a definite thing. Ammo. 46 extended mag, 42 fast mag. Yeah, 42 fast mag, 32. You can see there is a mag for, yeah, stopping for a round, but this gives you too much particle recoil, reload time, ADS time, it is bullet speed. Like, damage is cool, I guess, from 39 to 60. Okay, should I get this? Yeah, let's see. But you get so much negative. Oh yeah, that's cool. Okay, ADS time. Should I make this one or extended barrel? Definitely not extended barrel because yeah, ADS is cool, but too much time to. Okay, minus 10 ADS time. I'll definitely get too much like vertical recoil. Let's see. For vertical recoil, ranger grip, it is time too much high. Vertical recoil, okay, ADS time also too much high. Let's get this only. Okay, can you guys see the attachment? I cannot see the attachment. Yeah, I guess that is like covered over there under the skin only. Lol, that's good. Okay, now what else? We got 4 attachments and barrel or monolithic. I don't need monolithic. I can get this one. Yeah, granite cryptid accuracy. Okay, let's see. Let's see if this attachment like works. This is me, Orko the Chief. I am signing off. Bye, guys.